Your cooling system protects your engine from the tremendous heat created when it runs. Coolant antifreeze mixed with water circulates through the engine, absorbing heat. The coolant is then cooled as it passes through the radiator before returning to the engine. The thermostat acts as a gate, controlling the circulation of the coolant through the radiator to maintain proper engine operating temperature. This way it's not too hot and not too cold. Coolant also circulates through your heater core to provide warm air to heat the passenger compartment. The coolant not only provides a heat transfer mechanism, it also protects cooling system components against corrosion. Old coolant just can't protect the system as well. The cooling system is a very harsh environment and the coolant becomes acidic over time. The coolant contains additives that counteract the acid. Eventually, the additives are all used up and the coolant starts to corrode system components. Flakes of oxidized metal from the engine and other system components can build up in the tiny passages inside the radiator, blocking the flow of coolant, which can lead to engine overheating. An overheated engine can actually be so damaged that it must be replaced. Regular cooling system service can prevent most overheating situations. If your temperature gauge is indicating hot or the temperature warning light illuminates, your cooling system needs to be inspected. If you have a cooling system leak, you may see coolant on the driveway. Coolant comes in many colors: green, amber, orange, even purple. Your vehicle requires a specific type of coolant antifreeze. Unfortunately, the color of the coolant is not a reliable indicator of the type recommended by your manufacturer. Your service center will use the correct type of coolant for your vehicle and can repair cooling system leaks. Follow your vehicle's cooling system service schedule to prevent expensive repairs. Ask your service advisor if your vehicle is due for a cooling system service.